Understanding the dopamine reward system. Introduction. The dopamine reward system is a complex network of neurons that plays a crucial role in our behavior and decision-making processes. It is primarily responsible for the feelings of pleasure and reward we experience in response to certain stimuli. The role of dopamine. Dopamine is a type of neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that transmits signals in the brain and other areas of the body. It plays several important roles in the body, and is often associated with feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. The reward system. The reward system is a group of neural structures that are activated by rewarding or reinforcing stimuli. When you perform an action that leads to a reward, like eating a delicious meal or achieving a goal, your brain releases dopamine. This release of dopamine strengthens the neural pathways that led to the reward, making it more likely that you will perform the same action in the future. The dopamine reward pathway. The dopamine reward pathway, also known as the mesolimbic pathway, is a key part of the reward system. It starts in the ventral tegmental area, VTA, in the midbrain, where neurons release dopamine in response to a reward. The dopamine then travels to the nucleus accumbens, which is involved in motivation and reward, and the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in decision-making. Dopamine and addiction. The dopamine reward system is also implicated in addiction. Drugs of abuse, such as cocaine and amphetamines, directly increase the amount of dopamine in the reward pathway, leading to an intense feeling of pleasure or euphoria. Over time, the brain adjusts to these high levels of dopamine by reducing its own production of the neurotransmitter or reducing the number of receptors that can receive signals. As a result, the individual becomes dependent on the drug to feel pleasure and may experience withdrawal symptoms without it. Conclusion. In conclusion, the dopamine reward system is a fundamental aspect of how we learn, make decisions, and experience pleasure. Understanding this system can provide valuable insights into human behavior and the nature of addiction. However, much is still unknown about the intricacies of this system, and further research is needed to fully understand its complexities and potential therapeutic applications.